we do that? Let's introduce.
See, with my big mouth, we just open it and say, yo, rare. Yeah. It's kind of sound like a lie, though. So welcome to Jamaica.
Oh, Lord Jesus! Come. Y'all know how the thing's set up. Subscribe to the channel, share with your family and friends, comment on this video, tell everybody about Global Gyal because we are getting to 1,000 subscribers in the next couple of weeks. Are y'all with me? Good. Everybody, Global Gyal, welcome to the channel. We're here in Auckland, New Zealand. Global Gyal, and this is
Unruly DJ Serge.
DJ Serge, and I don't know if you can tell from how he talk, but Serge is from
far eastern Jamaica.
well, where parish?
St. Thomas.
The man so St. Thomas.
Well, from when you say unruly, I want to see the sign. I don't know say at the east side. You see me I say?
Serge and I used to be roommates, and Serge said that he would definitely love to sit on and chat with me, so y'all are gonna see. But we're gonna do it a little different. Serge is making his Sunday meal prep for the week, and he have a whole long story with it. But we'll be chatting with Serge while he cooking, so we're gonna learn 1-2 times. It's a cooking show and a chatting show, you check? Yeah. So let me go, Serge. What we cooking today?
So today we're cooking rice and peas with a little fried chicken thing, like you see me, with a potato salad with prawn.
And let me tell you, every Sunday Serge say he must make his rice and peas. Rice and peas. He don't feel no way. He not gonna feel proper unless he have his rice and peas. He say, alright, Serge.
It's a Jamaican thing. Yeah. Rice and peas have to eat on Sunday. Even though we eat it 7 days a week. As you can see here, I can't bother for pressure the thing because I go to church. You see me, so I have to buy the ready make one. Red kidney beans, grace coconut milk. You crush up and I soak cake. I have 44 of them I'm gonna bring up. 44. We start the process already, so we're gonna add this now. Yeah, so that's the beans in there. We're gonna add the dry powder. I don't know, from when you hear the word Jamaican, I know say every Jamaican man can cook. You see me? Them say it's a Caribbean thing, not a Jamaican thing. So I know if it's a Jamaican Caribbean man, them can cook.
They say all Jamaican man can cook.
All Jamaican man, if they can't cook, they can burn up something. You see me?
I love Serge's story, and what you realize, Serge is very different to plenty of the people that I talk to because I just where Serge start from, kind of like Serge have, and where he end up here in Auckland. Just tell me about your childhood growing up in Jamaica. What was that like?
Growing up in Jamaica was fun. We didn't have anything called internet back then, and we wasn't exposed to TV, so outside was our playground, what you guys call playpen. So the rocks, the stone, the trees and everything would be a part of our playpen. Life back in Jamaica was very adventurous. Like every day it's a movie. It is something to laugh. You ever laugh like up at some earth, you just a laugh, you wonder why you laugh when you can't stop laugh. And then you got a river and somebody set them a boom flick on a stone and bust them in wicked and like, and then you got a yam bush and you walk through under the wrong vine and some girl was steaming up and like yo, it just, you know, just heaps of fun. Community where we come from, it is nice. The sea was right down there. When you come out of the sea, you have the waterfall right on the other side. So always I tell you, so the last one left from under the waterfall, turn off the pipe. 7, 8, 9, I was more like hustling, you know, picking fruits, selling and those things. My yard of me grew up in a 3 lovely pear tree, and I mean I make a rat eat one, and I make one drop a girl. For work, save, always have a little pocket money, so never have to depend on mommy or daddy for nothing.
Y'all hustling for me a little.
We grew up in a Christian home and everything, but we were unruly. We used to follow behind companies, but we never got too far. You will never have a record, your name will never call, you know, no one can say that you were there.
So just before you got to New Zealand, what you were doing?
I love the construction. I was doing construction. So I said I'm gonna push on. I'm gonna spend 4 weeks in 11th grade, get kicked out because I'm a roadness. I tried out for Archers. For me, it's a ghetto college, but it's bigger than that.
Is it like a trade school?
It's a trade school. I studied for a year, and this is how God working on mysterious way. And the last day of doing my papers, and I went in, the instructor told me that the machine cannot print the paper for me because it said that I am competent. And I said, it's impossible. I did the sit-this test, and he said, well, the machine have you at competent, and because it have you at competent, you cannot sit the test. You know, so I got to come out of the room. So anyway, I linger on the compound and I meet a guy. So I went and I introduced myself to him and I started talking to this guy. And he said to me that he's looking 23 guys to come to New Zealand. I don't know where is New Zealand, but all I know, I need to get a plane to go there. And I said, well, so when I leave in Jamaica to me. So I said, yo brother, you just need 22 now. The paperwork start from there. It took us 1 year for the paperwork come through, and just like that, I just get a call one day and say, yo, your visa approved, you have 2 weeks to leave the country. And look, on the funny thing, after working, so this was August, this happened in August, I met this guy. And by October, I get a call from the institution saying that I am not competent. There's a test outstanding for me. You know?
You lie.
If I don't do this paper, I'm not passed.
Yeah.
I said, okay, no problem. And I did the test. So that's how it all kick off for me. You see? With my big mouth, we just open it and say, yo, rare. Yeah. It kind of sound like a lie, don't. So anyway, the part on the simmer down part, you know. You can see the whole heap of seam. Sorry when you can't smell the flavor. You have to know the amount of water we put into, you know.
Of course.
Because
with the amount of rice.
some people don't understand.
But you not measure.
Expert in measure. So you see this now, you turn it up on a low flame. You see me? Really low flame. And you leave that, make it go on do the thing. I'm going to move on to the meat, you know. You see this? This is a secret recipe. That's coming from Jamaica. Mix and blend. Jamaican.
How you managed to bring this in? My man just come back from Jamaica a month ago. And my man just stash up. Hey, watch the bag.
You see what going on here? We got the bourbon. With the New Zealand chef that we feel like say, we can run in. The real Indian curry. See that? All the bag get yellow. And you see this? These are the real all-purpose mix, season. And this are the jerk to make everybody fly all over the world. Got Jamaica and lick them finger. When you could have asked white are the smallest because they just need a little dash like this. Alright, this can stay out. And the banana really keep them showing the real people can. Welcome to Jamaica.
Oh Lord Jesus! Look here!
1 suitcase of food. So we have the ackee, we have the magnum, we got the macaroni, we got the nice snack, we got the brownie. They're gonna sell this in New Zealand.
Look!
This is like a hidden stash.
Jamaica in a bag.
Yes man. Now, we have to season this.
Tell me about when you got to New Zealand.
Coming here as a Jamaican, coming from used to when you cook, you kind of eat fresh. You pick your banana, you pick your breadfruit, you have a piece of yam you dig from last week. So coming to New Zealand was kind of difficult. To feed on rice and flour for like 18 months. We didn't have nobody walking us around telling us where to get our stuff and nothing like that. The first time we went in the supermarket, we spent around 3 hours. Our trolley was still empty. Walking around in the same aisle like a circle. We come up back and didn't even have nothing because we didn't know what to buy, what tastes like. We didn't have no one there beside us telling us, take up this, take up that kind of eat like that. And we didn't have nobody guiding us. It was rough, you know?
And don't tell this chicken go bang good.
This is the secret ingredients, everybody. This is not something fun to play with.
When did you feel like you were a little bit comfortable, a bit more comfortable?
I think that was like in 2017 when I met a lady called Mo, you know? That's basically when I kind of feel like I was at home. I feel people that I good vibes with, you know. They weren't from my country, but we were neighboring countries because they were from the Caribbean too. So like I could literally speak Jamaican and they understand me, you know. And they would cook my food and you know we dance to the same music, drink the same rum. I feel welcome.
Yeah.
I feel welcome at that time. Like.
What's the best part about being here?
Well, the best part about being here is making that money.
Yeah. Alright.
Like you can literally look for your work every single day.
Yeah.
You guarantee your work and you guarantee a paycheck. That's the best part about being here. Basically being here is like uplifting myself, uplifting my family, carrying them to a different level, you know? But other than that, it's kind of hard for us to live here. We need us. You don't have anyone you can fight with, otherwise some your Caribbean people and anything. Going to work, you're the only one of your kind on the side. So sometimes you just like by yourself here. You just, at least when they're having conversation, you just have to listen, you know? And that's chill.
Okay, everybody, battery dying and I gotta go. But Serge is still here cooking up a storm in the kitchen. Let me show you all how the thing looking. This is the chicken before.
This is the bun-up one.
This is the this is the Jamaican bun-up one. Ah, but it look like it tastes good though.
Bun-up.
Then we have the rice and peas, all settled, all nicely take out all the ingredients. Then that is the potato and thing, and this is the chicken in the process.
I go and bun up again.
Go and bun up again. Everybody, I just like to say thank you so much to Serge for sharing his story with you all and taking time out to do it, and also teaching us how to make bun up fried chicken and rice and peas. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I can pass them on to Serge, this Jamaican who's doing the best, doing the most, living here in Auckland, New Zealand. You gonna say bye?
Please do remember to subscribe to the girl channel, yeah?
Oh yes, subscribe, like, comment, share, that whole thing. Thank you, Serge. Thank you for that. Alright, we'll see y'all later. Bye.
Ciao, ciao.
Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Ain't nothing to me that way. No. Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Do me that.
Tell me a funny story about one of your New Zealand experiences. Come now, you have plenty.
Jano, the first funniest story for we is when we go visit the snow. Picture snow, and we were excited, but no one wanted to tell us that we were supposed to bring snow gears. So we went to the top, we went with our freezing, dashing and shocking lips. Eyes running and nose running, and we made it to the top and we were like, you know? And we just wanted to see, so we keep going, we keep going. We reach to the extreme top and we look and we say, okay, we're here. And then we just came back. Miss Birdie biscuit from Jamaica. You gotta take all the time and pinch it. One biscuit a week. Yeah.
It's so precious, the biscuit be.
Yeah man, and we have this thing.
You bring your own cornflakes.
Cornflakes.
Serge, come Jack.
And the last cup to mix with the cornflakes. And you know done this one, you know?
So the man tell you he needs 23 man to go to New Zealand and he gave you a job.
He gave me a job and he started my life. That man's name is Patrick White.
You said you didn't know where New Zealand was, you never been on a plane.
Never ever. Like, it was even so weird when I was coming here. They sent a message to us saying that we must bring winter clothes, you know, like. So I called my boss, which is Patrick White, and said, where do you get winter clothes to buy?
In Jamaica.
Because I don't know what is winter clothes. If you guys ever watch Cool Runnings with soccer when you reach to Canada,
Yes.
Yeah. And you run in back and put on everything, that was me reaching to New Zealand because we came in the middle of winter.